Good morning, folks. Frank Zorrilla here, Zorrilla Capital, the 30th of May, 8:30 in the morning. I'm doing a quick video in regards to Investors Business Daily. So, like I said before in previous videos, if you go on YouTube and check out the videos, IBD does a great job of narrowing down the universe of stocks from 7,000 names to a select few based on technicals and fundamentals. I mean, no one else does it better than IBD. So, I came across two names that I believe are actionable today if and only if they can get through a certain price level. And I found these names by going here. IBD breaks down the universe of stocks and they have different lists: IBD 50, sector leaders, stock in the spotlight, IBD cap 20, new highs, IPO leaders. One of my favorite lists happens to be sector leaders, and sector leaders, very simply, it's IBD's most stringent and powerful screen. Sector leaders highlight the best stocks in IBD 33 top sectors. All sector leaders show outstanding earnings and sales growth in recent quarters and are strong across many other fundamental and price performance metrics. All that means, very simply, that the stocks here within this list, which is only a few, which is great, they're technically and fundamentally sound. The two names that I believe are actionable if and only if they can get through a certain price today is BABA and NVDA. So I'm going to go here and click on Marcus Smith and take a look. So you can take a look at the chart. And as you can see here, Marcus Smith, another IBD product, it gives you in this little page, all you need to know about the company and the stock as far as fundamentals and technicals. Here, BABA, last 4 quarters earnings growth, 60%, 63%, 25%, 44%. Estimates for next year, 28%. These are all impressive numbers considering the fact that this is a big cap company with a market cap of $500 billion. Sales as well, 53%, up 47%, up 66%, up 76%. Right now, industry rank in the top 20, number 9. Okay, so what I'm looking at here with BABA is the stock's been trading sideways for the most part since the beginning of the year. You can call this a box, a cup and handle, but what's interesting here is look how you have this little move higher and look how tight the price action has been over the last 3 weeks. This is extremely tight action. I'm a big fan of buying them tight and selling them loose. I think the stock is primed for a breakout. If it gets above $200, 210 cents would be my buy stop. I might even cheat beforehand because one of my biggest concerns with this potential breakout and setup is the fact that, there's no one on Twitter or StockTwits that doesn't know that this stock is primed for a breakout. So you might have you might have a couple of fake outs. As a matter of fact, yesterday the stock broke out and came back in. You can blame the market, but the fact is we have a lot of eyeballs on this breakout. So in a situation like this, the way I would play it, I will put a buy stop at $200.10 and a stop here if it breaks this low at 192.80, call it 192.70. The next stock on my list, NVDA, just like BABA, big cap company, growing extremely rapidly. Earnings growth for the last 4 quarters up 124%, up 60%, up 59%, up 151%. Estimates for next year up 58%. Just like BABA, trading sideways since the beginning of the year. No net movement whatsoever. It's actually up 5% year to date. But here's a move higher from here to here, and look at the tightness here. This is extreme tight action for such a big cap name. And again, just like BABA, this is a coil spring ready to break out. My only concern and biggest concern is that we have so many eyeballs on these two setups. In a situation like this, I'm putting a buy stop at $250.10. And then I'm putting a stop at $245 if it breaks a 20-day moving average. But either way, this is IBD does a great job, like I said before, narrowing down the universe of stocks for you with companies that are fundamentally sound and technically sound. So I'm going to provide a link underneath the video with a trial, 3 weeks, whatever it is, $19.95. I am an IBD partner, but this is a great way to take advantage of this software here, so you can play around with it and see if you can narrow down the universe of stocks at least for the next quarter, and that's easy to do. So trade them well and be well.